So this video is for magic circles, or MC if you're reading a pattern. If you're making granny squares, magic circles are going to be your go-to because it can cinch in completely in the middle, making sure that there are no gaps in your work. And this is a really great technique to learn. It's a little confusing at first, but we can definitely do it. For this project, I won't be showing you two methods. Magic circle, I believe, only has one method, so this is going to be universal for everyone. But with that being said, I'll be using a category 4 medium weight yarn and a recommended 5mm hook. So to start off a magic circle, we are going to grab our yarn. We are going to make a gun with our hand using our pointer finger and our middle finger. And from here, we're going to take our working yarn, wrap it around those two fingers twice. And then we're going to grab the working yarn and the tail end of our yarn, and we're going to pinch it using our ring finger and our thumb, just like this. And from here, we're going to grab our hook. We're going to insert it in between the two fingers that we have pointed outwards, which are our pointer finger and our middle finger again. And then there's going to be two pieces of yarn on our fingers. And then we're just going to grab the one that's closest to the hook, and we're going to bring that one underneath our second piece of yarn. And from here, this is where it can get a little tricky. We're going to pinch everything that is on our hook right now. So go ahead and pinch and then pull it off your fingers. And from here, you should have something that looks like this, which doesn't look like much, but we're going to go ahead and hold our working yarn the same way that we always do. And then we're going to pinch one more time right where the hook is with our middle finger and our thumb. So just like that. And then from here, we're going to chain up one just to secure it. And from here, this is what we should look like. The tail end is going to be on the right end. And then from here, we can either chain up 3 to do a double crochet. We can keep it at 1 chain to do a single crochet. I'm just going to do double crochets for video's sake. So we're going to prepare for a double crochet, and we're going to insert our hook into the middle of the circle with a double crochet. So now you can continue on with your pattern. I'm just going to do a couple double crochets just to show you what it looks like when it cinches in. So I've just done 15 double crochet into the middle of the magic circle. The number doesn't matter. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it cinches in the middle. But when you're doing whatever pattern you're doing, you're going to want to cinch it in. So go ahead and grab the tail. And from here, we can just pull on the tail and everything will cinch in completely. And then just like that, we don't have a gap in the middle. And just to show you a complete circle, we're just going to slip stitch into that first chain 3 that we did into that third chain. And this is what we have. So I'm going to show you how to do all of this one more time. So one more time, we're going to make our gun with our pointer finger and our middle finger. We're going to take our yarn, wrap it around those two fingers twice, pinch it with your ring finger and your thumb. So you're only using one hand right now. And you're going to grab your hook. You're going to insert it in between those two fingers that we have pointed out. Grab the yarn that's closest to the hook and bring it underneath our second piece of yarn. Go ahead and pinch everything that's on the hook, making sure that you get everything, because if you don't, then it'll fall apart. And this is what we should have. And then from here, we're going to hold the working yarn the same way that we always hold it. And then we're going to do one more pinch right underneath the hook just to make sure that none of this falls apart. And we're going to move our tail end, make sure that it's on the right side. From here, go ahead and chain up 1 to secure. And just for video's sake, we're going to do another set of double crochet. So go ahead and chain up 3. Then we're going to prepare for a double crochet, and then you can work directly into the middle of the magic circle. And I'm going to do 15 double crochet again just to show you how to cinch it in. Once we have our double crochets, we're going to now grab the tail and go ahead and just pull on that. And then everything should be coming together nicely. And just to show you guys a circle, go ahead and slip stitch one more time into that third chain that we first made. And from here, we can go ahead and pull again. And this is our magic circle with an addition of 15 double crochet. Thank you so much for watching this how-to tutorial. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or on my Instagram or Twitter, both at TCDDIY. And also let me know if there's a certain granny square that you'd like to see. I'd love to tackle it. Lastly, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're liking the series. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.